right, on the 98XJ, obviously it was manufactured before they came out with backup cameras. Since I do a lot of wheeling and all that kind of good stuff, there's a lot of tight areas where I need to see what's behind me, if I'm towing somebody out, so on and so forth. So I wanted something kind of effective, but I don't need all the bells and whistles. I just want to literally to have a camera back there that I can turn off and on as need be. I don't need it all the time. So what I did was I ordered eRapta. I found them on Amazon, looked at their website. 4.3 inch color display. It could be mounted to the dash, could be suction cupped to the window. Comes with the backup camera that adjusts. Still going through how I'm actually to mount this. This is made to go on the license plate, but I think I'm gonna get creative and relocate it a little bit. Comes with the suction cup mount, again for dash or window. It's set up to go into a cigarette lighter, which is probably what I'll do for demonstration purposes. But what I'll end up doing is probably replacing this with a toggle switch. That way I can keep my cigarette outlet open. Be pretty simple to do, and they give you extra wire and some connectors. So I probably won't even have to buy anything, so I'm sure I got a switch outside. 4-pin connectors, instruction manual, pretty simple. Camera to monitor to cigarette lighter. It does have control functions on the side as far as contrast, brightness, turn the screen off and on, set up the reverse lines if you need them. Should be a great fit. They come in several different sizes. This is the smallest size because again, that's what I wanted. I just didn't, want something to have. I don't want something I'm going to use that's going to suit my needs. One thing to check out on these guys, and again, I'll put a link on here where you can order it off of Amazon, but it comes with a lifetime replacement warranty. So there's not really any way to go wrong with this thing. Especially since it's, under 50 bucks for the setup that I got. So pretty much plug and play. Again, comes with all the instructions, troubleshooting. Looking forward to getting this installed. As far as the buttons on the side, up, increase, function, return button, down, decrease, the grid line, the monitor, the screen indicator light. You can change a lot of different things on this thing, which I'll probably won't even fool with, to be honest, but we're gonna get out, start putting this on and figure out where I'm gonna mount it, and then we'll go for there and we'll see how it turns out. All right, so after looking around, figuring out the best way to do it, I am gonna go ahead and mount it up here, which means I gotta take this cover off, which I'll show you here in a little bit, as well as the inside trim panel to run it through. So I'm gonna get started on taking some of that stuff off. On this one, you've got 4 screws up in here. Then this top cover comes off. You should be able to leave this piece on. This top piece will just cover over. All right, with the trim up, basically you pull this off. You got 2 Torx bolts to come in. Then these just pop off with the tabs. And then you've got a couple of screws up through here. And then I'll run the wires through and show you all that when we get to that point. All right, sorry for the poor lighting, just trying to get this. So again, there was 4 screws that you take out off here. Then this top trim piece comes off. Here's where the tail light or license plate light goes in. So I'm gonna use this same grommet, go through to the inside. And then I'm gonna come through over here, and then I'm just gonna run it under the trim in. And then this is where the washer fluid goes in. Run it through here, it comes out, up underneath inside, and then I'll just tuck it up on my headliner all the way through. Okay, so got the camera mounted. Again, you can adjust this however you need to for whatever angle you need. In the night, this illuminates, so it gives you extra visibility. Can't even really tell it's there. Looks really good. I was able to run all the wires up through the top, so you can't see them. I chose to run them up top because it was easier coming through my rear hatch. Came down the windowsill, up under the dash, and then ran it up this way and got it mounted there. Apologize for my dirty windshield, but that's irrelevant for what we're doing. All right, so for now, you can see all the wires are hidden, minus the outlet control here. I may switch this out with a toggle switch later, but for now, It doesn't bother me the way it is. You can actually, even if you want to get creative, you could even cut the wires and hook them into your reverse lights like a normal backup camera. But I wanted to keep mine this way so that I can turn it off and on as needed. I won't always need it, but there's times when I will want to use it, and I won't be in reverse. So a lot of different reasons I wanted this camera. So it's real simple. Push the light, it lights up, lets you know the camera's on. Then your screen pops up. Right now, I really haven't adjusted the contrast, the brightness, or anything like that. I do have the grid lines on it for now. May keep them, may not. Still got to fool with that aspect of it. It has on the camera on the back, when you're using it at night, it has a light. So you got really good visibility at night. It's actually better visibility at night than what my other vehicle is that has a factory backup camera. So, I mean, for 40 bucks or so, you cannot beat this on Amazon. I'll post the link below. eRapta. This is the 4.3 inch screen. I think they go all the way up to 7 inch. They even have some products that are wireless, which I'll probably end up testing out. The other aspect is you can mount this wherever you want. Real good quality suction cup that has several different adjustment points. So you can angle it, twist it, and post it wherever you want to. Super excited with this product. It suits my needs perfect. Definitely check them out. eRapta. Link will be in the comments below. Thanks again.